Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. We are on part 12 of the yard train. The body's not on there at the moment because, as you saw from the last episode, I'll just take you through what I've done so far. I needed to flip this up the other way, so I've done that. These are all my mounts here to here now, and as you can see, everything's changed, and I've built all strengthening parts here. Even tensioning mounts here so I can tighten the belt. And so I had trouble actually trying to find a battery to run this, but I got one now. So it's a 20 amp hour 12 volt, and also I welded on the 3-speed gear shifter, so this has actually got 3 gears, so it's an easy gear at the moment, and had to rewire the wiring again to fit, and down here's the foot button. And so yeah guys, as you know, steering's all good, everything's all good, and yeah, I just had to rebuild a lot of mounts to get this thing going again. So I'm just sort of brushing over it so you can have a good look. Floor's all sort of cleaned up a bit. Nothing's really painted yet. These are mirrors at the thing works, huh? Just kind of jump on there, and you can sit down. Well, see if I get the battery in the bum here. Oh. Pretty cool. It works. Oh, it works. Awesome, guys. Look at that. So yeah. So it works, as you saw. Just push the button. Just push the button down here and the thing takes off. Come on, phone. Jeez, this is glitching up a storm. Wow. Okay. So yeah. So it's at that now. I don't know what's up with my phone. All day these things have been playing up. It's weird. So yeah. I'm not going to say a hell of a lot now. I'm just going to go around it and show you. So yeah, cool guys. Yeah, a little dry on top there. Put some grease in there. Awesome stuff, guys. I shall see you in maybe even part 13 of this build coming up. What a stressful build it's been. Anyways, guys, one more look at the body. I'll put that on when I get the chassis all ironed out. So, I mean, it's pretty good now, though. It's actually working. So that proves that method works, right? Pretty cool. Awesome stuff, guys. Big shout out to my boys, my Treyer and James. Cool fellas. See you in the next vid. cruzerman out. Woohoo! Cool, cool, guys.